everyone. Today we are going to speak about kitchen. And here we have a lot of words which contains with kitchen. And first of all, what does it mean kitchen? Kitchen is кухня. Please write this word. Kitchen. Repeat after me. Kitchen. Okay. It means кухня. Good. The next word is cooker. Cooker. Cooker, it's плита. Please repeat after me. Cooker. Good. It means плита. Good. The next, please. Fridge. Fridge. It means холодильник. Fridge. Холодильник. Good. Sink. Sink. Repeat after me. Sink. Good. It means умывальник. Sink. Умывальник. Good. And the next, please. Glass. Glass. It means стакан. Стакан. Прозорий стакан. Glass of milk. It means стакан молока. Good. Cup. Cup. It does mean кружка. Cup, кружка. Good. Kettle. Kettle. It means чайник. Please write this word. Kettle. It means чайник. Good. The next, please. Chair. Chair. Repeat after me. Chair. It means кресло. Chair. It means кресло. Good. The next, please. Plate. Plate. It's тарелка. Plate. Тарелка. Good. Table. Table. It means steel. Table. Steel. Good. Then the next, please. Tray. Tray. It means лоток. Tray. Tray. It means лоток. Good. Salt shaker. Salt shaker. It's сильничка. Salt shaker. It is сильничка. Good. Frying pan. Frying pan. It's сковорідка. Frying pan. Сковорідка. Good. Whisk. Whisk. Good. It means це коли ми збиваємо яйця. Такий називається віничок. Good. Whisk. Віничок. Good. Fork. Fork. It means виделка. Fork. It means виделка. Good. And the next, please. Knife. Knife. It's ножик. Knife. It means ножик. The next, please. Spoon. Spoon. It means ложка. Spoon. It means ложка. Ladle. Ladle. It's черпак. Ladle. Ladle. Черпак. Good. Grater. Grater. It's терка. Grater. Grater. Терка. Good. Napkin. Napkin. It's серветка. Napkin. It means серветка. Tap. Tap. It means кран. Tap. Кран. Good. Cutting board. Cutting board. It's дошка для нарізання. Cutting board. Дошка для нарізання. Good. Bowl. Bowl. It's глибока миска. Bowl. Глибока миска. Good. And now, please repeat after me and we practice our pronunciation. Pronunciation, it means вимова. Ми зараз практикуємо нашу мову. Kitchen. Kitchen. Good. Cooker.